Most people get business insurance wrong by assuming one policy fits all, but AXA offers tailored solutions that might surprise you. Today, they'll share my honest review based on experience with AXA Business Insurance. AXA provides coverage for small to medium businesses, including liability, property, cyber, and professional indemnity insurance. The surprising truth? Their policies are flexible and customizable, which is crucial for businesses with unique risks. Getting a quote is easy. You input your business type, size, and coverage needs, and an AXA agent works with you to tailor the policy. Most people get this wrong by comparing only prices. They often overlook how much coverage and customization matter. Claim service is generally reliable. I tested a property damage claim, and AXA handled it efficiently. Response times were reasonable, and communication was clear. However, some niche industries may need extra review before approval. Pricing depends on coverage and business risk. For example, tech companies with cyber risk will pay differently than retail shops. Bundling policies often reduces premiums. Most people get this wrong by assuming the cheapest option is the best. It rarely covers everything you actually need. In conclusion, AXA Business Insurance is solid for companies that want flexible, reliable coverage. Most people get this wrong by ignoring customization. They end up underinsured or paying for unnecessary coverage. With AXA, you can balance protection and cost effectively. Subscribe for more honest insurance reviews to help your business stay protected without wasting money.